Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to build an AI app and publish it on Playstore and Appstore to make money, the process is easier than most people think if you follow the right steps. First, you need to choose a clear app idea, so focus on a simple problem that AI can solve, like writing help, image generation, study tools, or productivity automation. Next, build your app using AI-powered tools or frameworks. You can use tools like Flutter or React Native for coding or no-code platforms that support AI integrations. You can also connect AI APIs like OpenAI to add smart features to your app. Once your app is built, design a clean and simple interface using tools like Figma. Make sure it is easy to use because user experience is very important for downloads. After that, test your app properly on both Android and iOS to make sure everything works smoothly without bugs. And now comes publishing. For Android, you're going to create a Google Play developer account, prepare your app details, screenshots, and upload your APK or AAB file to the Play console. For iOS, you need an Apple developer account. Use Xcode to upload your app to Appstore Connect, then add your app description, screenshots, and submit it for review. Once your app is live, you can start making money through ads, subscriptions, or premium features inside the app. And that's it. That's how you can build an AI app, publish it on both stores, and turn it into a real income source. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.